Let's go over Netflix.
Baba. Yeah, we'll do Baba as well. All right, what's going on? All right, Netflix looks really good, guys. Broke out. Finally broke out. It's about time. Let's see. All right, so I'm watching this price channel right now on Netflix. Right here. Is my pencil working? Yeah, it is. All right, so yeah, I wasn't watching this line, but this 502 line is pretty crucial to hold into tomorrow. Anything above 505 should give us 507 again, and then possibly 510. 510 is a huge level on Netflix, so anything around this zone, we should see some more pullback. I'm not sure if we're going to push there tomorrow. We might, but we'll have to see. I'd say start shorting it once you get below 490, 499. Yeah, anything below 499 should give us 496.5 on my chart. Same thing I see here as well. I'm trying to find other levels. What's this line right here?
That's 505.
Yeah, nothing special. All right. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, so just watch we'll see how we do pre-market, but you definitely want to watch 502 to hold. It's a very important line. Anything below there, this should dump with a bell. If we can't hold that during pre-market. So the hourly chart. Yeah, it does look really good right now. I do like how it looks. It's good divergence here as well. If you guys are paying attention to that divergence play, we should have a nice continuation. That bull flag right there should be breaking out to the upside. I do think you might push past 510 by Monday. I'm not sure about tomorrow yet, but my target is definitely 510 on Netflix. So set your alerts and everything. Like I said, if we do break down 499 or 498.5, we should see 496.5, and anything below there can dump down to 494, 493. All right. That's it for Netflix. Let me see what else. Yeah, it looks very good right now. It's ready to go. Cool. All right. Yeah, we have next.
Square.
Look at Square. Yeah, Square had a nice breakout today. Towards the end of the day, I think I saw Square. Yeah, had a nice little push. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to hold 200. It's all-time highs on Square. Couldn't quite get there. Couldn't quite pass it again. We are in a downtrend right now. I don't see too many signs of a reversal just yet. Yeah, check the 30-minute for a second. There's not much going on here. Let me see.
Yeah, but I'll do 100. We're going straight down.
Yeah. We'll see how Square does. Yeah, I'm not sure I like this very much right now, to be honest. Looks a little. Yeah, we got to break above a 20. Yeah, that line right there. 204.5.
Yeah,
we got to break above there. It's kind of choppy. There's a lot of chop right here. There's not much going on. Yeah, 210 is the main line to watch. I wouldn't touch Square unless we get a clean break above a first 204.5, and then maybe 210. There's a lot of noise around here. I'm not really sure what to call this. That could break out. I'm not sure. Anything below 200, you can get an early entry. Trying to scalp us down to 197, but I don't like it right now. You have to run some more analysis on this. Doesn't look very. Yeah, we can see if we can respect that trend line, but that's the only bullish. Doesn't look very bullish. Looks pretty neutral right now. Not quite bearish yet, but it is a bit of a downtrend. So, see, that's price projection right there. Daily. Yeah, we have a lot of work to do to get past that barrier. Those 3 candles are gonna. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a problem. Yeah, I call it 210 resistance. If you go on smaller time frames, honestly. Yeah, it's having a bit of trouble. We'll see. There. All right. Let's check out what's next. Zoom. Yeah, Zoom couldn't hold that 414 level today. It dumped again. We'll look at RKT as well. All right. Yeah, it's a bit of a bullish pennant right there. Looks ready to break out. That looks pretty nice. I'm glad it held 410 as support. That's good. It does need to clear 414 to go test 418. And then I'm watching 425 as a line on Zoom. Let's see. No, you're good. I don't need that. Now you're chilling.
Yeah, below this, we went straight.
Yeah. Anything below 396 is going to dump to 385. So, yeah, let Zoom play in this range for now. I don't think it's worth playing too much until we clear 414. And even then, we might get some rejection around here and right there. I'd be careful playing Zoom, honestly. I'd say 425 is a line to watch. But just from this chart, it does look like we're going to run tomorrow if we can hold that 406, 0.6 support. I do want to see 410 holds, hopefully, pre-market. But if, you can watch it bounce off that 406 level. You guys can grab calls, start writing up, start selling it off once you get to like 417. Expect some chop between 418 and 425. And 414 is also on to watch on Zoom. Yeah, just going light. People are still kind of overreacting off that earnings report, trying to digest. Zoom got upgrades and downgrades, so just be careful. All right. Next is Qualcomm. Yeah. All right. I haven't played this stock in a while. What's going on with it?
Sheesh.
Gapped up. It's been holding pretty well. Yeah, guys, I gotta see what's going on. MACD looks like it's trending down a little bit. Let's see, RSI. I don't know. This could be bullish, guys. Here's the thing. You guys look right here. Yeah, this is nice bullish divergence actually. We talked about in class. Yeah, right here. My pencil's not working. Jesus Christ. Okay, you guys see that? Yeah. All right. So wherever we bounce, we actually should get a nice push above one. Yeah, I think this is gonna break out tomorrow. This should run. This actually might clear all-time highs tomorrow. The reason I say that, I'm looking at the RSI. So right here, I'm looking at this dip over here, and we're already on our way down. So the chance that the price gets all the way down to 147, I don't think this price is going to get below this level before RSI reaches that oversold territory, which is why I do think we're going to gap up in the morning. I'd say if we hold 149.5, you guys can grab calls. This actually should push past all-time highs if we do have a green day tomorrow. I highly doubt we sell off in the morning. This looks ready to run. It's a nice catch. It's very bullish, short term. Bit of a cup and handle as well. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it was good. I like this. I think we break all-time highs tomorrow. Honestly, looks very, very bullish, guys. Yeah, we got to clear 151.3, and we're going to clear all-time highs. Yeah, it's a nice catch. Yeah, it looks very, very good. Yeah, thanks for that. Put my watch list for tomorrow. Qualcomm. Cool. Let's look at Salesforce. All right, Salesforce had earnings, dumped down to 220. And actually dumped further. So it filled as a gap on the daily, and actually, yeah, just toasted, man. Yeah, a gap is filled. So at this point, we gotta make a decision, right? We could potentially draw a line down here. Oh shit. Yeah, my candle right there. I think that's what I was looking at. Yeah. I highly doubt we're gonna test that level, but you know, if we keep dumping, we keep dumping, right? There's nothing saying that we're gonna go up right now, at least on the daily chart. You know, if we did gap down, we could see some more downside. But we gotta look on higher time frames. Yeah, I meant like smaller time frames. That's what I meant. 70 minute. Let's
Like a
see.
bear flag.
Yeah, so watch for it to drop again below. Yeah, I'd say watch today's lows for it to dump below. On the upside, I do think the stock, I mean, even though it looks like it might be recovering right now, just given the technicals on higher time frames, it's very possible that we can go up and then reject that zone again. I don't think that this gap will be filled as easily as a $10 gap almost. It's not going to be, yeah, this is going to chop around a little bit. I still think it's a great long-term buy. I think they dropped way too much. That acquisition of work is still up in the air. I mean, they did close the deal, but I don't like that deal at all. I think it's not going to be the best move for Salesforce. And any bad news about that is actually going to drag down the stock. But as far as their business goes, you know, they've been doing very well with revenue. Looks really good for a long-term hold. I'm just a little worried about that work deal with Slack. All right. Yeah, let it play in its range. I'd watch the 226.5 line for a breakout. Anything below these lows, go to 210. And then below 210, I see 207.5 and then 202 point whatever, whichever line we just charted. I think that was a 202.8. I think 202.6. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, just be careful. All right. Next is Baba. We took the 2 hour on Baba. You don't have 2 hours, that's fine.
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
Cool. Yeah, that's how I think that like on Baba. Yeah. So, yeah, there's a lot of price strength on Baba. I don't think we're going to dump below us anymore. This is what I was looking for. This looks ready to pop. TTM looks ready to go. Bullish engulfings right here. Let's see. See correction over here. Yeah, this looks ready to go. I like this a lot. I do think it's going to rip up tomorrow, but just do keep in mind that we do have that news about the Chinese companies getting delisted. I'm not really sure what that means for the market. I mean, your initial reaction might be to think that we grab puts on everything, but you know, the House passed the bill, I think, and Chinese stocks did not move at all. All those EV stocks that are down right now, they were down before that news even dropped. So that's why I'm not even going to consider it. Baba actually gapped up after hours. Yeah. So I'm not really sure what that was about. Yeah. As far as the news goes, I think Trump is going to sign that bill soon or something like that. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, there it is. Right there, news. White House says Trump's going to sign the bill. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, as you guys know, Trump is still apparently trying to get reelected or trying to hold office because he claims he did not lose the election. Whatever you guys believe, I don't think it's in Trump's best interest to screw with markets like this. A lot of banks are in heavy with Chinese companies. ARK Investment Fund is still buying Chinese stocks. I don't think he's going to mess with markets like that. I think he knows how many people are invested in Chinese stocks. NEO also got a Goldman Sachs upgrade just yesterday. Yeah, there's too many things are not making sense here. Yeah. So as far as charts go, Bob is ready to reverse, but just be careful because any bad news can cause like these flash crashes or any overreactions. You don't want to get caught in those. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on that. But we are holding calls right now. You know, it's a great sign. A lot of price rejects in there, right there. We found support 260, 262. This should go up to the upside. All right. Next is Facebook. Very simple. Very simple bull flag on Facebook. Hope it stays in that trend line. I think we have a leg up. We're going to see something look very similar to how this shaped up, right? So it's going to be very simple in my opinion. I think that it did dip a little low here today. I did want to see 287 point something hold, but it didn't. Yeah, we're holding 290s. So I would say, I guess it comes below 285. But, you know, it is very good. It's ready to break out. Looks very good. RSI is also pretty low. That's the bottom right there. Yeah, it looks, yeah, it's pretty good. I like this right now. TTM, you guys see that little yellow bar right there? Yeah, it looks like it's ready to go back up. Yeah, we'll see how it shapes up in the morning. But this should pop, in my opinion. Very tight stop loss, but 285 though. Just be careful. Watch that bounce zone there as well. As targets go, I think we're going to fly back up to 291. I do think we might get resistance here. We might get stopped there again. I'm not positive. And then based on however we reach this target, we can make a decision on whether we're going to hold it or if we're just going to cut it right there. We'll see. But take profits in the morning if you guys have it. All right. Next is Tesla.
Sheesh.
Tesla is just doing some weird stuff right now. So it gapped up after Goldman Sachs upgrade, as well as I think Elon Musk said that they're going to have he's going to finish autopilot in 2021, something like that. Chart wise, you know, it gapped up again, so we have to see what happens. This is a bull flag. It does need to hold that level, whatever that level is. I think 581 point something. Tesla doesn't declare 591. Once we do get above 591, we will see 598, and then hopefully test all-time highs at 604. On the downside, if we do break that bull flag, targets are right there. I'm going to ignore that because that was an overreaction of a sell-off. But this line right here, I'm watching it pretty closely, wherever that is. You can get a better line than I have. Somewhere around there. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, 576. Yeah. Be careful. Tesla moves very quickly. So if you guys start to approach support or resistance line, just start selling your contracts as you get there. Don't wait for Tesla to try and like hover and bounce. If you guys pay attention, Tesla rarely stays at any level, right? Like even when you bounce off support, it goes right back up $13, right? So you don't want to hold these contracts. It doesn't like to stay in any range. Tesla is its own beast. But I am looking for a breakout here, right? So if we can keep that bullish pennant right there, that bullish flag, we should see another breakout to the upside. Watch out for here as potential resistance. It's not very strong. I mean, I guess you can count those lines up there. Just watch out for it. But yeah, I'm personally not going to play Tesla unless we can break 598. I do want to see it push back up to 604 and then hopefully all-time highs up there. But yeah, like I said, on the downside, break 581, we go to 576. If you guys can't scalp effectively, I wouldn't play Tesla because these premiums and contracts move so quickly. There's better plays out there, safer plays. Yeah, not much is going on. I mean, even with all of this, MACD is still trending downwards. Bearish engulfing there. Yeah, we got to see how it shapes up. Cool. Next is RKT. Then we'll do Starbucks. Yeah, other companies. So we have weekly calls. Like I said, I'm playing it with options flow, so I do expect some big news to happen tomorrow or Friday. I'm not sure when it's coming or if it's coming. There's still a lot of open interest in those contracts. Over 13,000 people are holding those contracts, and they're still buying them at $2 a piece. Again, it's a gamble, but chart-wise, RKT does look ready to reverse. It did bounce off here. On the 4-hour chart, we did have nice price rejection as well. We saw a doji candle. That's a good sign of reversal. We are at the bottom of our trend line. So I don't really see any more downside of rocket companies for now. But if we do cross at 90.5 level, we could start seeing that line right there and then down there potentially. But I'm pretty bullish on rocket right now. MACD looks pretty good if you want to zoom in there, but yeah, it's kind of hard to see. But it is crossing, I promise. Yeah. Yeah, the long-term hold, I think good. I think we'll see 22 in the next couple of weeks if we don't get any big news soon. So, all right, cool. Starbucks.
Sheesh.
Yeah, can you make the y-axis a little bit what am I trying to say? Like drag it down a bit, opposite way. Yeah. Maybe zoom out a little bit. Yeah, zoom out a little bit. I just want to show this a bit of a wedge I want to show.
Hold on, I gotta go into bigger time frame.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. That's better. There we go. Okay. So I'm watching. Yeah, exactly. It looks ready to break out. I think it might take a couple more days for this to happen. The momentum is just not there yet on Starbucks. I'm not sure what's going on with it. It looks kind of neutral right now. But hopefully we don't fall out of this wedge. But I think we might just chop around it until the very end and then eventually break out. You know, we do want to clear 100 on Starbucks eventually. So, yeah. Yeah, there's not really much going on here. It's playing in a range. It really has to clear that resistance again and then test all-time highs. We might get rejected here one more time. I just don't really like how it's moving. I think it's just all noise right now. You know, it is trying to respect this wedge. That was just a bit of a sell-off. I wouldn't play it yet until we get more confirmation of a breakout. But I don't think we're going to gap up or anything like that. You know, the stock is kind of doing its own thing. It's not really playing with the market. So, yeah, up to you if you want to play it. You can probably grab like 100 calls a couple weeks out, or like for January, February, if you want to secure some gains. But it's not the best place short term, in my opinion. All right. HD, DBX, TRA, FSR, and Blackberry, and then we'll be done. All right, HD is back at support. How'd you guys grab calls? Let me see. Yeah, how'd you guys grab calls at the bottom this morning? I think I caught it right there. It went back down. It's going back to 272. I'm not sure why it gapped down. I should have checked the news for that, but it did take a bit of a dump. I'm looking for it to find 271.5 support again. 272.5 remains resistance on HD, but it does look ready to do the exact same thing it did. I do have a stop loss set at 268.5. I think we should be in the money tomorrow. We have 272.5s, I believe. So we should be fine. I don't see any reason for the stock not to go up tomorrow. Yeah, looks good. All right. Cool.
BB.
That looks nice. Yeah, new Blackberry. Not sure that DBX, not sure what that is. Blackberry, okay. It gapped up. As you guys know, ran almost 60%. Yeah, we gotta go into smaller time frame for this. The stock is wild. We do have a nice little wedge right there. I think this rectangle is a gap, but we'll see how it does. I want to see Blackberry definitely clear that level, and then we can use that as a target, and then right there. That's the same line as this, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. Around the same line. This is a better target. I tend not to use after hours targets as much as trading hours, but that's the line you want to watch if you want to take profits on a breakout. I'd say anything below this, then you guys can take it down to 6.3. I don't really think the stock is worth playing unless you want to hold it long term. I caught it in the morning, thankfully, but these runs won't happen every day. So I just played this as I saw volume coming in at that breakout. So we were able to secure some profit there, but it did continue to dump. So to be safe, I'd probably grab in the money calls, like 7.5s. If you guys think it's going to run, grab 7.5s. And if it starts to dump, you can just exercise your option. You guys can get shares of Blackberry, right? It's cheap, $750, 100 shares. It's a pretty good deal. So, yeah. Just keep doing your research. I'm not really sure why gapping up so much. I know they're working with a bunch of vehicles. Keep in mind the Blackberry does do a lot of things besides phones. So just do your research on that. All right, FSR, we'll do DBX after. All right, Fisker, I like Fisker a lot. Blackberry contract with Amazon. Amazon's making a lot of deals. AMD, Apple. Means they have a lot of cash on hand. It's a good sign for Amazon. All right, FSR. Yeah, I think we're actually going to reverse here. I think I might have gotten you guys in calls. I don't remember. I did open the position in FSR today. If I didn't get you guys in calls, I was definitely going to do it tomorrow. If we go below 16, you guys can look for. Oh, sorry. Yeah, if we do dip below 16, you guys can watch this line as a price floor. Only reason I'm letting it wait until there is because we do have 2 weeks still, or almost 3 weeks. So yeah, that's Friday, the 11th and the 18th. Price targets are actually already mapped out here, so I don't really have to draw anything. Only line I would add is this one right here. And then, of course, the bodies of that candle and then up there. But there's not really much else to look for on Fisker. Just watch for it to run. This stock does like to run hard when it does, so don't sleep on it. All right, this price channel has been broken, right? It is looking to break out. Anything above 17.7, that is a target. I do remember telling you guys a while back. 17.7, this thing should run once again. Actually, I believe that was my entry for this day when it ran, or 17.4, something like that. So just watch out. Yeah, it looks ready to reverse. Nice cup and handle at the end on the 15 minutes. So TTM looks good. MACD's crossing up above the 0 line. Yeah, looks pretty strong. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Yeah, I'm very bullish on it right now. All right, let's do DBX.
What's the ticker?
DBX. I think.
The heck is this? Dropbox?
Not sure. Oh, Dropbox. Cool. I've never put in Dropbox before. It seems supposed to be over. Should be 5 minutes. Okay. Did break out of that wedge. Yeah, I'll have to run some more TA on it. Yeah, I'll get back to this. Whoever wanted this ticker, just send me a message on Discord right now. I'll chart it for you later. I just I want to get to what we play usually, just because we only have 3 minutes left, and we are in other positions. But send me a message on Discord, and I'll get to you in the next hour or so. Let's look at Best Buy and then Billy, because we do have positions in those. BBY. Yeah. Yeah, well, I thought Best Buy was going to reverse a couple days ago. Did not. If this isn't the bottom, I'd start cutting your contracts more or less tomorrow. Doesn't look very good right now. I mean, we have time under contracts, but I did think it should have reversed. It just keeps gapping down. 104. If we do see 104, I might just pick up 110s for January. Just try and recycle those, but it is very oversold right now. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on.
Yeah. How's that going?
Yeah, it's not looking very good. BILI. Billy. Yeah, this is following my plan actually. I'm not worried about it. We have a December 18th expiration. I think we have 70 calls or 65 or something like that. Yeah, the stock looks ready to run again. I'd say cut it below 60, or if we see that again, or even 58.5, just because we do have time on those contracts. Yeah, I'm still very bullish on it long term. We'll make a decision on it next week, but we should see profits by Monday. I think. Check the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it looks very good right now. Yeah, it's looking good. TTM looks very good as well. NAFT's better cross, yeah. Yeah, I like it. All right, cool. Well, I'll see you guys pre-market. Oh, AMD. AMD. Yeah, it went down after hours. I'm not really sure why, but yeah, we'll see how it behaves tomorrow. I'm still watching 90s. I think it was 92 point something to support, 93.5. Yeah, we'll see how it behaves pre-market. It is below that right now. I'm not really sure why it gapped down. I couldn't find any news on it, but we'll see. Target remains at 96. That's all-time highs right there. So, yeah. All right. See you guys soon. Good night.
Later, guys.